factor the polynomial completely. So just like always, I want to look if there's a greatest common factor first. And in this case, there happens to be a greatest common factor. I can see 3 will divide out of both, and they each have at least one t. So I'm going to divide out, or factor out, a 3t. For the first term, I'll be left with t squared. The second term, I'll be left with just minus 16. Now we definitely don't want to stop here. We want to look, can we factor what's inside? Well, I'm seeing this is a difference of squares. T squared is a perfect square, 16 is a perfect square. So that tells me I can factor that using the difference of squares method. So we want to bring down our 3t. We don't want to forget that. I'll have t minus 4. So when we have difference of squares, we do it like this. T minus 4, t plus 4. When we multiply it out, it makes the middle term cancel out. And you'll see what I mean if you multiply that out. And this will work out to be t squared minus 16, the t minus 4, t plus 4. Again, you can check that it will multiply out to 3t cubed minus 48t by multiplying everything out, but this will be your final answer.